Welcome back guys, this is the second vlog from Dubai. If you haven't seen the first one, then you should actually go in the description right now and watch the first vlog. It was such an amazing experience the first few days here in Dubai. But right now we're actually in Dubai city center and I can't wait to show you where we're staying and what we're gonna do here around.
Hello! New place, new vlog. Let's start a new vlog here in Dubai city. So let's start with the room tour, and here we have Amber sitting on this comfortable bed, and look at the view. Wait, I'll bring it there. You probably know that tall guy over there. Wow. We are actually now visiting the Dubai Mall and the Burj Khalifa Square, which is kind of cool actually. And I'll show you around. We just took some pictures at the, how do they call the Wings Mexico?
Wings
something
Mexico.
like that. And right now going towards the Dubai Mall. Good morning from Dubai. We're actually in one of the best and exclusive places in the world, Atlantis, and today we are visiting the Aquaventure and Lost Chamber. Can't wait to show you around, and stay tuned because it's going to be a lot of fun. Good morning from Dubai. Good morning from Amber. Anyway, we are ready to move to the next property, which is going to be Radisson Blue Canal View. I've been already in this property. You probably check this out on my Instagram. But this is gonna be our last day in Dubai, so we will probably explore little bit more the Dubai Mall and just relax for the rest of the day because we have an early flight to catch on the next following day. So let's get this tour around Dubai started. So we have just checked in our room, and it's actually so beautiful. We have a cozy living room, let's say, with view. That's the view that we got on the city. We got also coffee machine, big TV, and then this is the master bedroom, where you still have a nice view on the city. And then coming to this side, we have a huge bathroom with bathtub, sink, and shower. And actually, we also have TV. I also just discovered that we had a second toilet here. So guys, as you can see, I'm already at the airport. Leaving Dubai has been a wonderful trip. I hope you enjoyed this second part of the vlog. I know there was not that much because we had just few days left, but if you like the vlog, if you like the two vlogs, please subscribe, please leave a like and comment below, and I'll see you on next adventure somewhere in Italy.